What's going on, YouTube? Y'all already know who and what it is. This is your boy, none other than Sauce, and welcome back to AP Whips. Man, your boy just woke up. Time to get this day started. We finna go ahead and get up, get dressed, wash our face, teeth. We finna go ahead and take Sugar to get tinted. I told her she looking real fishbowl-like, you know what I'm saying? I think if somebody pulled too close to me, they'd be able to see what I'm playing on the radio. I don't like that. So y'all stay tuned. We finna go ahead and get this day started. It's your boy, Sauce.
What's going on, AP gang? It's your boy Nuns and Sauce. I told y'all we back at it. We finna try and slide up here and see if we can get these windows done today. You feel me? Like I said, I can't have people looking straight through my car and seeing who it is. So we're gonna go ahead and slide up here and see if we get these windows tinted. But first, I gotta give y'all that early wake up, morning. Most people drink coffee. Other people go to Starbucks, get their frappe and everything. That's what they do to wake up. This is what I do to wake up. Ooh, I feel so refreshed. So let's hop in and let's go ahead and get it cracking. So we are inside now, y'all. So make sure she's on all the way. Media, turn down the radio because I ain't for no copyrights. We get all the way. I got that Z Fold flip, so I don't have a phone mount. Phone is too thick when it's closed and it's too wide when it's open. So can't properly display my phone up because I don't have a phone mount. So I appreciate everybody that slid through, rocking with me, rocking with the videos and everything, rocking with my baby, my new baby I got right here. I got order a bunch of accessories, so they on their way. And your boy is going to hand install them himself. I'm going to put them on myself, so you know what I'm saying? I mean, y'all saw the first two. I got a couple interior installs coming. Those are just minor though, nothing big. I'm going to get my stars when I get a chance to, so. I already saw the equipment, what I gotta buy. Just gotta, those I have to pay to get installed. I don't know how to do those. Hey man, going forward, it took me a while to get here, because when I was young, I didn't think my credit was important to me. And I know it's probably a lot of y'all out there that's doing the same thing, just running your name, not knowing how important it is to keep your name clean. A lot of us grew up with our parents jacking up our name. You 5 years old with a cable bill, no, that ain't good, ain't cool. 10 years old and you got rent, no. So, like I tell my boys, the most important thing y'all want to do in life is take care of your name. If you take care of your name will take care of you. You won't have no problem getting whatever it is that you desire. As far as a house, as far as the right car, everything. Just keep moving forward. With that being said, maintain your money too. Maintain your money. Money doesn't buy everything. Credit will get it before money will. If your name is good, credit can get it before money will. You can save your money, pay on it over time with your name, and it'll make your name even better. So when these banks look at your name, they can be like, oh, okay, he's been taking care of himself for a while. He paid this off, he paid that off, got a couple of credit cards he's maintaining. No repos, no bad, nothing bad on his thing. Student loans, oh, okay, so he's taking care of his name. Okay, bet. Let's go ahead and give him whatever he wants. So as long as you take care of your name will take care of you. But that's enough of all that. Let's go ahead and see if we can slide up to this shop. I'm off today, thank God. So I'm out here in my my old uniform. Y'all see that? TDX, Tire Distribution Expert. That's what I used to work for before I went to CTA. And with this company, I used to deliver a lot of tires for some of these places out here. A lot of places. They do a lot of car accessories, window tinting and everything. So we about to slide up to this one place that do window tinting. And with me having my shirt on, I wonder if I'm able to get a discount. Hopefully I'll be able to get a discount. We're gonna see if they remember me or whatnot. If not, then we're gonna slide out to another spot. But we're gonna hit them up first. So y'all stay tuned for more. Sorry I don't have a phone mount, but I'm gonna look to get one in the future because I can't be riding with y'all in my hand. Yeah. So y'all stay tuned for more. It's your boy Sauce. Catch you on the other side. What's up, AP gang? We finally made it out here. The places that I went to out south, way too much. Way too much just for some tinted windows, you hear me? So I came back out west, from the west side, that's where I'm from. Who always had a better deals, always had a way better deals, you know what I'm saying? I'm out south, they want to charge damn it $320 to $400 for window tint. That's crazy. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm not buying another car, I'm just getting window tint done. You know what I'm saying? Speaking of getting window tint done, see? You can look through my whole car. See my radio? You can look through my whole car. I can't have that. Behind me, that's the sign, that's where I'm at. Auto Glass, Ogden Tint World. They out here out west on Belmont. I mean, not Belmont. They out here in Bellwood on 25th and Madison. So they got good deals and everything. So if y'all live out here in the hood and you're looking for a good place to get your window tinted, come out here on 25th and Madison in Bellwood. My car stay dirty. Stay dirty. Yeah, I can't have that. You can see the other car on the other side. I can't do that. Heck you know. We got some accessories and everything coming, so we're gonna go ahead and plug them, put them on there. We're gonna have her looking right, looking real good, y'all. I need y'all love and support that y'all have been giving. Continue to like, share, comment, subscribe on the video, y'all, because we going up. We going up. We finna make we finna do big things. And I need y'all support to do that. So I'm finna go ahead in here and talk numbers, and we're gonna see what's going on. Stay tuned. What up, gang, man? We finally done. It took, I got to that place at 11. You know what I'm saying? I'm just not leaving. But we got it done. Y'all can't pretty much tell right now anything like that. Well, maybe y'all can, but if I was outside the car, y'all probably could tell a little bit more. But yeah, we finally got it done. I'm gonna give y'all a more better look at it once I get to the crib. She looking kind of real dirty-ish, and you know me, I don't like when my baby looking dirty. So what I'm gonna try and do is clean her up a little bit, then give y'all a walk around how it look from the outside compared to what it was before. You know what I'm saying? If y'all new to the channel, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. I appreciate y'all for showing love, showing up, showing support, man. You know, we got a tenant. We getting that together. We getting that together, getting the things done, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all for sliding through. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get back to it. Gang, we back in the building, man. We are back at it again, in the building. I can't believe it actually took that long as it did. But man, when you're trying to shop around to find the right prices at the right place, you're gonna keep moving. Now, I forced myself because it was something that I wanted to get done, especially since I was off work. So I had to get it done. And you know, I spent all day up there, so now I'm back at the crib chilling. And I'm telling you, tint makes it a lot different. It makes it a lot different when you're looking at it. I tinted all my other cars up before, and like I said, this looks a lot different. So I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around of how she look. Don't mind, she dirty. You can tell by the sky it's gonna look like it's gonna rain, you know what I'm saying? So it made no sense to take her up there and wipe her down, but I still got some more decal and stuff coming, but I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a walk around how she look now. Tinted. Yeah. I went with 15%. Yep. Even got the little stripe up top. Yeah, that cost the extra. But yeah, went with the 15% tint. You can barely see through it now. All you see is a reflection of me. You probably can see through it a little bit. Not too much. Got the back window done. Yep, so look at this. Y'all see that? Oh, is that like a bubble or something? I'm gonna have to let them know about that. Well, other than that, she all the way. We still putting it together. Yeah, like I said, she is dirty. Look at them rims. Just dirty, man. But we're gonna get it together, all the way together. Before it's all over and done with, she gonna be on point. Looks way better with tinted windows. Way better with tinted window. But I appreciate y'all for sliding through, checking out the channel. Those of y'all that started this journey with me, I appreciate y'all for hanging in there, staying with me and everything. We got a long way to go with this one, but we ain't done yet. We're far from done. We ain't done yet, so we're going to keep rocking and rolling. Hey, Mopar, no car. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to keep doing this thing, man. I appreciate y'all for sliding through. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, none other than Sauce, and y'all are in AP Whips. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Gotcha, bitch.